In terms of dance, I can say because I have been an assistant dance choreographer, I'm a biggest fan of Allu Arjun sir. I would not like to pick just one because there's so much of talent. So I want to do something related to dance. I love singing. So maybe I want to explore and learn more about singing. ऐसा लगा मुझे पहली दफा.
அதாவது ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்டான நேம் டிஃப்ரெண்டான ஸ்டைலில் வந்திருக்கீங்க for SIIMA 2019. How do you feel being here?
It's always an honor to be here at SIIMA. Last year I was shooting, so I could not attend. I was shooting for Teja's film, and before that I think I was traveling. So after 2 years I'm back on the SIIMA platform, and it's always so amazing and overwhelming to see the talent coming all together from all 4 industries, and me being a part of it is obviously awesome.
Alright, so tell me this question. Okay, so I'll ask you this question. Who's your favorite actor in Telugu?
I like so many actors in there. They all are very good, and they all are amazing. One, I think I would love to work with all of them because they all are amazing in their own craft. But in terms of dance, I can say because I have been an assistant dance choreographer, I'm a biggest fan of Allu Arjun sir. I say that in all my interviews. Yeah, so
Very nice.
yes,
தமிழ் படங்கள்லாம் பார்ப்பீங்க இல்லையா நீங்க?
yeah, kuncham I can manage.
Okay, தமிழ் மூவிஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச ஹீரோ?
There are again amazing heroes in Tamil, and I would not like to pick just one because there's so much of talent. There's so many amazing, yeah. You have the Kolaveri Dhanush
Okay.
to like Surya sir, I think Vikram sir. So many actors, and the list goes on and on and on.
பறந்துட்டே சான்ஸ்
Exactly, back on.
பறந்துட்டே சான்ஸ் வாங்கியிருக்காங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். சூப்பர். The next, apart from work, what is the thing that you do passionately for your future?
For my future, well, I have always been into creative arts, and I have so many things on my mind. I've been a dancer, so I want to do something related to dance. I love singing, so maybe I want to explore and learn more about singing.
Okay.
I love.
Song for us right now. Just 2 lines. Come on.
I can sing a Telugu song.
Absolutely. Love to hear.
Okay, a Hindi and a Telugu mix from my films. ऐसा लगा मुझे पहली दफा तन्हा मैं हो गई यारा हूँ परेशान सी मैं तू जरूरी सा है मुझको जिंदा रहने के लिए
பியூட்டிஃபுல். அதாவது ஒரு ஆக்ட்ரஸ் மட்டும் இல்லாம ஒரு சிங்கர், ஆனா நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு டான்சர் சொல்லிட்டீங்க. சோ நீங்க எங்களுக்காக ஒரு ஸ்டெப் சொல்லி தர போறீங்க, நாங்க 2 பேரும் சேர்ந்து ஆட போறோம். எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து.
That's
Okay.
all about it.
Okay, so all together we are going to do that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4. But you have like step going on.
Okay, so that is your favorite step.
Hard to guess.
Hard to catch.
Yeah, but
See,
anyway.
it's for the tassels. It's only for the tassels you're doing.
Yes,
It's yeah.
But anyway, thank you so much. You have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
Thanks.
All the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Much pleasure to be talking to you.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.